young man, do not touch the underside of the boat up the bridge.
Okay, good morning. Can I just have a quick show of hands? Who is Bristol based? Anyone here Bristol based? Okay. Hopefully I'll be able to top up your knowledge of Bristol already. But if we come to the end and you've got a fun fact, has consistently been dominated by brewery. So at one point through history, people were drinking more beer than they were drinking water. Can anybody think why that might be? It was safer. It was safer, yes. It was cleaner than the water. And reported to be more nutritious. I'm not sure about that bit. But obviously, the bosses didn't want their workers being half cut or inebriated too soon in the day, so the half pint was invented. So goes that story. Bristol's smallest car park on the beam. No guesses for what the grain barge used to transport. No prizes for guessing, rather. This section of the harbour, Pools Wharf on the right-hand side, was one of Bristol's last working industries, where sand and gravel was held in huge silos with big sort of round metal containers. They didn't have a was smoke to your heart's content. At one point they were turning out 250 million cigarettes every single day. Nowadays, if you're 15 years or younger, you won't be able to smoke by the time you won't be able to buy cigarettes legally by the time you reach the age that it's legal to buy cigarettes.